Okay, so long story short, we're doing a bathroom renovation, and the bathroom is the only one in the house has a shower. So we need to come up with something to be able to take showers for a couple weeks. So doing a little bit of Googling, I ended up putting together a couple ideas that worked for us based around this basement sink. As I discovered, this faucet has threading on the end of it that matches all the garden hose attachments. So put the 90 degree on there, and then this little valve so I can mix the hot and cold with this open so I can test the water temperature. Close that off, open this up. Water, of course, goes through the hose up to here. I've got a little bracket there holding another 90 degree. It drops into the shower head. I reused the shower head from the shower we were having renovated, pulled that before they began. And then the water comes down to this dog pool tub thing. All the links for all this stuff I used are in the description. But yeah, the water goes in there. And then there's a sump pump designed for pool cover. So it's designed to work in real shallow water. It starts working right away and pulls the water up into here, drains it into the sink, and you're good to go. The only really thing I had to build was this framing up here to be able to hold the track. Wouldn't have to, could attach it to the ceiling, I suppose, but just made things easier with everything else I've got on the ceiling. It just made it easier to build that there, attach the track to it. The only weird thing I had was, as you're moving the shower curtain around, mainly because it's so long, I want to make sure water wasn't coming out anywhere as we're taking showers. So there's upward pressure because of the length of that is hitting the ground. So when you go to move sometimes, these wanted to be able to come unhooked. So I doubled up on some of them, like you can see there. But some of them were still coming off, so you can see where I used duct tape. So I'm like, we'll just do that. This only needs to get me through a couple weeks. So that's what I did. I did put, because this is so large, I wanted a big space. So I put a number of shower curtains together and overlapped them. So you can see I'm using magnets to be able to hold those together so that when you go to move the shower curtain, everything just moves together as one that way. And then I also reused the shower curtain, the outer shower curtain from the bathroom we're renovating. Because as you can see, there's a doorway there. But where where this room sits in relation to the sink there is right where the door is. You can see the door and that closes there. So it would have been, resetting this up a million times. It's like, why? I just left the door open, put this shower curtain on there so there's privacy from that direction. It's in the basement anyways, so no issues there. The only other thing maybe to be able to mention, I use this just as a table. It's a old cooler we used to keep camping equipment in, but use it to put soap and shampoo and so forth on. So you have a space for that when you're getting in and out of the shower. Everything's right there. So yeah, that's what we did. Hopefully this is of help to somebody.